Hi, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. T3 has a huge announcement that we're partnering with the largest wellness shopping club and manufacturing company. So what does that mean? T3 is going green. You see these chemicals, these toxic products, everyday household items. Well, we're going to educate you on how to get those out and increase your overall wellness. I've gone green. I'm getting the toxins out. Those are going in the trash. And I'm excited because you can too. So, what my mission is to have every one of my T3 fitness family members on this call, on this webinar, because we're inviting a marketing executive from the company. His name is Seville Ko. He's actually has a master's in what's his master's in? Performance and wellness. He actually owns a gym himself. He's been transforming lives, and now he's a marketing executive at this 30-year-old company. He's going to help us understand the importance and how to actually get these products out of our households and increase our vitality. So I'm really excited. I hope that you are too. And we're going to be having this call 2 times. Okay, this is an exclusive invite only call, and it's on Thursday, and this coming Thursday at 7 p.m. and this coming Saturday, so the 7th and then the 9th at 11 a.m. So I love for each and every one of you to be on this webinar. Basically, I'll send you the link if you need to RSVP to me, just to this email, which day you're going to be able to make. And if you can't make it, just reply replay and I will be sure to send you the recording. So who's excited to get the toxins out, feel better, and gain better results? I love you guys. Take care.